forgot to film an intro.
She was gonna lie.
I was gonna say, hey guys, tomorrow I'm going on the trip, but Charlie wouldn't let me say that, so I forgot to film a intro, so I'm just gonna clip it to, you know, nature pics. Yay. Not nature pics, nature videos. It's not nature at all. It's just videos of me traveling. So, let's get to it. Lighting's really bad. That's because it's so early in the morning. My dog is crying for me, and we're on the trip.
Okay. This 7 hours and 40 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's longer than it should be.
Wait, 7 hours and 40 minutes?
7 hours.
Should we do fastest?
Yeah.
Of course the fastest.
Are you sure I can't bring my dog?
Hey, quick, shut the windows. Bugs are coming in.
Oh, nasty. Bye.
Where's my phone? Where's my purse?
It's up your bum. This is such a good trip already. I'm already feeling it. But also, what gas station are we gonna stop at?
We don't need to stop at a gas station right now.
Yeah, I'm just saying, but when we do, I'm gonna. When is
Okay, guys, I gotta pay.
if some person, the love of my life in Minneapolis, gives me candy and tells me to get in his van, I will. Because if you're gonna bribe me with candy, you already know what's gonna happen. It's a whole nother story. Hey guys, this is the only reason we're going inside.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous.
What?
We're going inside.
I have to put my shoes on, but
Stretch and sit
the
down.
only reason why I stopped filming was for the Chick-fil-A. I'm filming again. Who cares about Olive Garden? Chick-fil-A. What if there's a handsome Chick-fil-A order?
It looks busy.
It's because Chick-fil-A is the best. Oh my gosh.
It's it's 1:30.
What city are we in?
St. Cloud. We're about an hour away.
I haven't had food all day.
Minneapolis.
Chick-fil-A. Film me.
We are entering a city that's as big as Busan.
Big guys are bigger.
No, it's as big as Busan.
Yeah?
Same size, but it's closer. Does that make sense? Busan's more spread out.
Yeah. It has a higher population density. And then they probably have more rates.
Now that we're here, I'm gonna get settled in real quick, and then we're gonna start. I'll come back and record again once we're leaving to go to the Mall of America. As you can see, I don't look my best right now. Like, I gotta get ready to view, bump into the future love of my life. You know, you don't even know when that's gonna happen. You know, I gotta be prepared all the time. So, I'm gonna go do that. I'll be back.
10 seconds later.
This is.
What is this?
Say it again. Say what you said.
Isn't it like a jam or something?
He thinks it's jam. No, Dave.
It's a
not
sauce.
Jam. It's sauce.
Yeah.
It's literally mushed up apple.
Yeah, that's jam.
No, that's not what jam is, like jelly.
What's going on? What is it?
He doesn't know what applesauce is.
Do you not have applesauce in Korea?
They only have apple. They don't eat.
He doesn't know what applesauce is. We feed that to babies and other people because we like it so much. It's pretty good. No, you're not. You just drink. You just drink the applesauce on him.
Huh?
You just drink it. You're not supposed to drink applesauce. You need a spoon.
What the fuck? But is it hot?
Wait, why would applesauce be hot?
Because it's been our car.
Oh,
It's a little tart. There's no sugar in it.
It's just okay.
it's just okay.
Oh my god, I like
He
it.
doesn't like applesauce.
I like it.
Well, that's good, Dave. That's why they didn't have it in Korea. So we're going to the car. It's around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And we're going to the Mall of America. I'm gonna be attempting to record everything. I'll try. But this is my first time going, so I'm pretty excited. Big. It doesn't look that pretty because we're behind a fence.
Just turn your turn signal on, and then once
That's
the green light goes,
crazy.
you can start going actually into it.
Or I can just start going right now because there's no one there.
Whoa. IKEA!
Do that.
IKEA tower.
Glory to the IKEA tower.
We're not going to IKEA yet.
Not
We're
yet.
going to the Mall of America.
Look at this place.
That's
Wow.
our relative.
This is such a big mall. I'm already ready to get lost in it. We're in the parking lot, but like there's a lot of cars and it's really confusing, even though it's a Thursday, right, Anna? And there's people arguing. I already feel at home, you know? Yeah, it's already a really good experience.
It's very exciting.
It is exciting.
Oh,
Look
yeah,
how
that is
he's so big. I'm afraid of stairs. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna start recording again when we actually get in the mall. Okay. Okay. Which is in like 5 seconds. But I'm getting anxiety from these stairs, and they're walking so fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Wow. This is why I came here. This
ride
This
looks
is-
fun.
is the reason.
I think the ride's gonna be
It's a
fun.
Nickelodeon
Look,
thing. They
it's
have
Dora.
Avatar.
Wait, Avatar, where? Oh my gosh. His face is a moon. Oh, this is so exciting.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. There's so much things. Okay, so we're finally at the rides. It's been a while. We went into Holster, but none of the clothes there. Hollister, is that how you say it? I didn't like any of the clothes there. So now we're going on this fairy godparents ride, and it's Anna's not going, so I'm gonna have her try to record when we come down. Footage, and then I'm gonna try to record while we're on the ride, which is a good idea, right?
Yep.
Really? Maybe I won't record while we're on the ride.
That's the.
There was just like a group, like an entire squad of like really good-looking guys my age. I swear to God, I almost died. They all like walked past me. They were like, I can't. So we're going on this ride. Yeah, that one.
So it is my turn with the camera. So that means that you get to be in mom zone now. And with bad filmography. So I'm excited to film them. I'm not going on the ride because my neck hurts and I don't want to like throw it out anymore, especially because I'm the main driver. But thanks for coming. Alright, there they are. my job rather well. I hope they're satisfied.
Several bad puns later.
So our day,
It's long and tiring.
but I'd say,
A success.
what are we doing tomorrow? Is tomorrow Renaissance?
No.
Oh. Okay. And that's the end of today's video. Please like and subscribe if you already haven't, and give this 2 thumbs up, or a thumbs up if you already haven't. And thank you for watching. Episode 2 will be out next week, and I'm going inside because it's cold.